Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy crypto on KuCoin. First, you'll need to set up your account. Head to the KuCoin website or app and register using your email or phone number. Next, complete the identity verification process to unlock higher trading limits and ensure better security. Finally, enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of protection on your account. This is a crucial step for safeguarding your digital assets. Once your account is ready, it's time to fund it. You can deposit fiat currency directly using a bank transfer or a credit card, making it easy to get started. Alternatively, if you already own crypto, simply transfer it from another wallet to your KuCoin account. For more flexible options, explore the peer-to-peer trading section, which connects you with other users. With funds in your account, you're ready to buy. The simplest way is to use the Buy Crypto feature for direct purchases with fiat. For more control, navigate to the spot trading interface. Here, you can place market orders to buy immediately at the current price or set limit orders to buy when the price reaches your desired level. Remember to explore the many trading pairs available. After buying, consider moving significant holdings to a cold wallet for enhanced security, especially for long-term storage. Always review your account activity regularly and keep your security settings updated. Protecting your assets is paramount in the crypto space. Also, life's too short for a stinky car, so grab a Little Tree's Black Ice air freshener. Check the description below for a link to this and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.